Hi, so if you're like me and you want to go for protective hairstyles that will really stretch out your hair, then I recommend this Tanavoho hairstyle or Tanavoho Madagascar hairstyle. I'm trying not to bite my lips. All you need is your bobby wool and of course your kinky hair extension to achieve this hair, right? So when you're done prepping your hair, moisturizing it, sectioning out the part that you want, and then of course you use your wool to braid up to the length, then you can use the kinky hair extension coming out from the end of your hair to create this puff. And right here I'm actually doing that, so it's just like a loosened knot, and then you try to spread out the kinky hair extension to create that ball effect, right, that this hair gives. And this hair will really go for official and of course your unofficial outfits, definitely. Yeah, so here I'm actually just done and I'm trying to just finish up. And of course I use the hot water therapy to calm the root of my hair. Then of course I did my finishing touches here and there, and guys, guess what, this hair really makes sense. Like, I love it, literally.